Hey man, just giving you a quick call. I just wanted to let you know that you are so close, dude. You're so much closer than you think. A lot of these big goals that we've had and these big aspirations, they're right around the corner for you, dude. So you just cannot give up. So stoked for you to see this. P.S. We bought a Lambo, so keep going, bro. We'll talk soon. Peace.
Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Bryson. This is the Bryson Everyday Project podcast. This podcast is a little bit different than other ones out there. Here, I only focus on documentation. I don't focus on quality or being professional or being entertaining. If that sounds like something you're interested in, I'd love for you to stick around and give the show a listen. You can also follow me on Instagram at BRQUSE. Thank you so much. Here's the show.
What's going on? It is January 7th, 2026, 9:18 p.m. It's going to be yet another short one. I really have nothing to say other than just worked on the app a little bit and then worked on a lot of stuff for Mina. And then we got some furniture delivered for our bedroom. So I spent a good chunk of time putting that together as well. And then worked out and then ate dinner and now I'm here. That's my day in a nutshell. I could end the show there because there's no details to go into. At least I don't think. Let's see. The app is very close to being done with the first version or whatever you want to call that. A lot of things are polished off and they work, I think, as they should. All right, there's a lot of things that I know don't work, but I don't think it's that important at the moment. So not a big deal. Get that going with time. What else? Oh, I got some more requests from Mina's team to work on some things, which is cool because I kind of felt like they haven't needed me much, which sucks because I don't want to lose that opportunity. But yeah, they got a lot of stuff for me to do, and it's actually a lot, and it's so much so that now we have a guy on the team that's following up, wondering when things are going to be done. You know, it's cool, but I can only do so much with the time that I have. I'm not even supposed to work on Wednesdays for Mina. That was what we agreed on and decided on almost way back when. I have now officially worked for Mina for a year now. I think it's been a year and some days. I'm looking at our conversation to see if I can scroll up to see. Let's see. It's going to take a sec, but anyway, yeah, I've been there for a year, which is pretty cool. And I think he's paid me about 20 grand, which is also pretty cool. I've made, I think we're about to hit 40K total made since December 20th, 2024, which is cool. Let's see what else. I really have no idea what else. I mean, the app stuff is just all the small details. Or I guess I was supposed to have a call with Mina today, but we canceled for, I think, the fourth week in a row because he's a Orthodox Christian. So I believe that he is doing his Christmas today. I don't know anything about that. I don't understand the Christmas thing being, I don't know anything about that. But so we rescheduled yet again. And I should have my yearly review, he said, coming up, and then we'll have some goals or something to set. I honestly want to ask for more money, but I don't want to ruin any kind of relationship or ruin anything that we have going on. I don't want him to think that I'm not grateful or anything like that, but he gave me a $5 raise in the first 2 weeks of working for MEF. And I haven't gotten anything since. Not that I expected it, but I have been feeling as though I have done a lot. And I gave him the entire Notion system I just gave it to him, you know? I mean, he essentially paid me to build most of it, but there's a lot of it that I just did on my own time, right? Because he pays me for however many hours, I don't know. And what am I trying to say? Pays me for however many hours, and then all the hours that he doesn't pay me for, that is for, that's, okay, I'm distracted. He pays me X amount of hours. All the hours not spent working for him, I usually put that back into Notion for something that I ended up giving to him anyway. So that's what I'm trying to say. So a lot of time went into it, And I would like to, I mean, truthfully, I'd like to either be required to work less and get the same amount of money, or work the same but make more money. That's what I would like. So if I need to, I don't know. I'm just gonna say ask if he's open to it, if there's room for negotiation, and then go from there. And then we'll start at 40 and probably work our way down, and then go from there. I don't know. That's just what I was thinking. So anyway, I honestly think that's the show. I don't think there's anything else to say. So. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for listening. Talk to you later. Peace.